Hello friends, welcome back to my sessions. So today we're going to implement a Java program to sort an array without using built-in methods. So as usual, I will be going to put the comments in my code for the better understanding. So stepwise, let's take this. So in our very step one, we will create an array with some numbers. So for example, if I say 5, 1, 2, 4, 2, 8, fine. Let's comment this. Now, for example, I have this array. Now, after sorting, how it will be? So, after sorting, it will be 1, 2, 4, 5, 8. Fine. So let's take the array, integer of numbers equals 5, 1, 4, 2, 8. Fine. Now, in our step 2, we will use bubble sort. That is a simple method. What I said? We will use bubble sort, which is actually simple method. So the idea is to repeatedly compare each pair of adjacent elements. If they are in the wrong order, swap them and keep doing this until the array is sorted. Let me show you. For example, let me show you one with a dry run. So, for example, first pass an so 5, 1, 4, 2, 8. Fine. Now we will compare 5 and 1. Compare 5 and 1. So swap. So after swapping, this will be 1, 5, 4, 2, 8. Now again we will compare 5 and 4. Now swap this. So if you swap this, it will be 1, 4, 1, 4, 5, 2, 8. Fine. Now we'll compare 5 and 2. Just a minute. Now this time we'll compare 5 and 2. So this will be 1, 4, 2, 5, 8. Now in the next one, we'll compare 5 and 8. So this will be 1, 4, 2, 5, 8. Fine. So biggest number 8 is now at the end. Fine. Now we'll take a loop for int I equals 0. I is less than numbers dot length minus 1 I plus plus. Fine. So outer loop runs n minus 1 times. Outer loop will run n minus 1 times. Each time it pushes the next biggest number to the end. Fine. So we'll give one inner loop here, that is for int j is equal to 0, j is less than numbers dot length minus 1 and j plus plus. Now inner loop compare adjacent numbers. So for example, like compare numbers j and numbers j plus 1. Fine. So let's see. So let's take one condition here. If numbers j is greater than numbers j plus 1. So if left number is bigger than right, so just we need to swap them. So we'll give int temp equals numbers j, fine, and numbers j equals numbers j plus 1 and numbers j plus 1 equals temp. Fine. Now in our step 3 we will print sorted array. In our step 3 we will print sorted array. So we'll give sorted array now we'll give for int num numbers and plus. Fine. So now let's see. Let's run this and see if we are getting my desired output. Okay, perfect. So this is my sorted array and this is what it is expected. So I hope you like this session and you really enjoyed the logic here. So if you really enjoyed this session, do like and subscribe my channel and stay tuned for more upcoming videos. Thank you everyone.